Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General Clearance Event, which begins tomorrow, August the 19th, and runs through August the 21st. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so like I just said, this clearance event is going to start on Friday the 19th and run through Sunday the 21st. So y'all have 3 days to get in on these deals, and Saturday is going to be a really good day to go and check out the deals because y'all can use your 5 off $25 coupon on all of these items. Alright, now while we go through the visuals and talk about the prices, I want you guys to keep in mind that stores can vary on selection. So not all stores are going to have all of the same items. These are mostly seasonal items. So stores are going to have different things in stock just depending on what they still have available. And then also stores can vary on the percentage off that they're going to take during the clearance event. Now the majority of stores are going to be an additional 50% off, but if you get lucky, you can find stores out there that are going to be taking an additional 70% off or even 75% off. I know that I have one store near me that is already saying they're going to be an additional 70% off. So that is the store that I am definitely going to be hitting up this weekend. Now, if you are new to Dollar General clearance events, maybe you have never shopped one, or maybe you have never even heard of a Dollar General clearance event, I have an amazing video that I want you guys to go and check out, and I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. And in that video, I walk you all through step by step every single thing that you need to know about the Dollar General clearance events. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about what is going to be included in this weekend's clearance event. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a heads up that the clearance section and POG clearance items are not going to be included in the clearance event this time around. Now, some stores may still include the clearance section, but that is going to depend on the store and the manager and what they decide to do with that. Now, even with that little bit of bad news, we still have some really amazing deals out there to go and grab. So I have basically broken this down into 2 categories. The first category that we're going to go over is the additional 50% off of the already clearanced price. So we have antibacterial wipes and face masks that are already clearanced down, and that means that during the clearance event they are going to be an additional 50% off. Then we also have summer barbecue items included, and these are already currently at 70% off. That happened on Tuesday. So starting on Friday, those are going to be an additional 50% off of that already clearanced price, and I do have all of the visuals for you guys in this video. Now, the second category is going to be the items that are going to be 50% off of the regular price. So in this category, we have spring and summer home items, select sunscreen, swim and summer toys, and select lawn and garden products. So let's go ahead and jump back to our first category and go over the items that are going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. So here's y'all a quick cheat sheet of a list of all of the wipes, sanitizers, and masks that are included in this category. Now let's take a quick look at the visuals. So we have the Wipeout wipes, the Ultra Clean wipes, the Clean Saw wipes. Next up, we have the Rexall hand sanitizers. These are the 8 ounce, the 16 ounce, and the 32 ounce. Then we have some face masks. So these are the Vanch face masks, adults and kids. Now, even though we only have 2 brands of face masks officially included in this clearance event, I have a feeling that a lot of stores are going to be marking down all of the face masks. So y'all might want to be on the lookout for those deals as well. Alright, now next up in this category, we have summer barbecue items. Now again, these are already marked down to 70% off. So starting on Friday, they are going to be an additional 50% off of that clearance price. Alright, now let's take a quick look at all these summer barbecue items. So we have an absolute ton of popsicles that are included. They're going to be 15 to 30 cents. There's a big variety. We have Kool-Aid, Powerade, Skittles, you name it. Then here in just a second, we're going to look at some waters. We have the Hint 16-ounce waters. We also have the Disney Princesses and Avengers waters. We have Icelandic waters for 15 cents. And we also have Black Rifle coffee for 41 cents. Next, we have the Gatorade and Propel drink mixes. Those are going to be 30 cents. And then last but not least, the ice cream cones for 19 cents. All right, now moving on into our second category of items. These are going to be 50% off of their regular price. Alright, so first up we have the spring and summer home items. You're going to want to be on the lookout for a red or green dot on the tag. Now this does include pillows, bedding, rugs, home decor, baskets, dinner, and drinkware, but it does exclude the candles. Now, this is going to be one of my favorite categories to shop on Friday because while I was out and about at DG yesterday, I was scanning a lot of these products and noticed that these items work with the back to school 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and that one does expire tomorrow on Friday the 19th. Now, I will say that not all of the red and green dot home items do work with this 3 off 15 coupon, so you guys definitely want to make sure that you are scanning to see what it will attach to. But while I was out at the store yesterday, I did take some pictures and screenshots, and here are a few of the items that I found at my store that do work with this 3 off 15 coupon. Now, while we go through these slides, you guys are going to see that I put the 3 off 15 coupon on the slide with the product that I found to work with that coupon, all right? But keep in mind that there are a ton of more items out there that will work with this coupon. You guys just need to make sure that you scan it in the store to make sure that it attaches. All right, so first up, we have the little dish racks. These are going to be $4. Next, we have these super cute canisters. These are going to be just $2. Then we also have these quart embossed jars. These are going to be just $1 with the lid. Then we also have these super cute tumblers for $2.50. We also have some cleaning brushes. These are going to be $1.25. Then we have the scour pads. These are going to be just 50 cents. So an awesome deal there. Then we also have these little cleaning caddies. These are going to be $2.50. We have these small storage baskets. These are going to be $1.50. So that is a definite steal right there. Now here is one of my favorite finds. We have all kinds of green, blue, and purple storage containers or baskets, whatever you want to call them, but we have different sizes to choose from. Plus we have those cute little caddies as well. These are going to range in price from $1.50 to $2, and they work with that 3 off 15 coupon. So this store is definitely going to be one of my first stops Friday morning because I'm definitely taking advantage of those prices and pairing it with that 3 off 15 coupon before it expires. Now, like I said before, not all of the red and green dot home items work with that 3 off 15 coupon, but there's still some really good deals out there even without that coupon. So for instance, this rug right here, it's going to be $3. Then we also have this really cute blue shag rug. It's going to be an additional 50% off. We also have signs, we have some dish towels, and we have some really cute storage containers, and these are going to be 50% off of their regular price. All right, now our next little category that is going to be 50% off of the regular price are select sunscreens. So you want to be on the lookout for Studio Selection and Wild Tropic brand sunscreens. Now here are two that I found in my clearance section, and I'm assuming that they're going to be included, but we didn't have really an itemized list for the sunscreens. So you guys are just going to have to scan in the store and see what shows up as 50% off. All right, now here is a really awesome category. We have swim and summer toys. Again, these are going to be 50% off of their regular price. So in this category, you want to be on the lookout for the pink square on the tags. All right, so first up, we have the beach towels that are supposed to be included in this clearance event. Here are two that I found at my store, and these are going to be just $3. Now we're going to take a look at some of the pink squared toys, and this store had an absolute ton. So you want to be on the lookout for that pink square on the tag and make sure that you scan it. Sometimes that little pink square looks more red than pink. So again, just scan, scan, scan. Now, some of these items would be really good to throw in for filler items on Saturday if you're 50 cents away from hitting that $25 mark so that you can use your coupon. You could throw in one of those cute little beach balls for $1. Those are going to be just 50 cents. So great filler items for Saturday. All right, now the next thing that we're going to talk about are the Gentle Steps swim diapers. Now, I am not sure if these are going to be included or not in this clearance event. However, at the store that I was at yesterday, they were already marking these down at 50% off, so I'm not quite sure what was going on there. These were not included in any list. However, it may just be something that is following the swim and summer toys. So if you guys need these items, or if you know somebody who does, this might be a really good one to scan while you're in the store and see if it pops up at 50% off starting tomorrow. All right, now our next little category that is going to be 50% off of the regular price is going to be lawn and garden. Now, there are a ton of items that are included in this category, but it does exclude charcoal, propane, coolers, fans, potting soil, grills, hoses, and the citronella fuel. Alright, now here's a quick look at just some of the lawn and garden items that I found at my store. And again, there's an absolute ton. We have flower pots, we have bird feeders, we have bird houses, we have all kinds of different cute little decorations that you guys can put in your gardens. And we even have really awesome, cute little solar lamps. You guys are going to see those here in just a second. We also have string lights that you can pick up at 50% off during this clearance event. Now, another thing with the lawn and garden items, y'all don't forget to check outside the store as well, because outside we have all of the chairs, the tables, the big rugs, the big gardening tools, all kinds of good stuff out there. So go out there and scan, because last August I picked up 2 super cute patio chairs at half off, plus I used my 5 off $25 coupon, so that turned out to be a really great deal. Now, speaking of a really good deal, here are my pictures from last year's August clearance event. I picked up a total of $231 worth of products and only paid $39.55 out of pocket, making each item just 45 cents. All right, now we're going to go over a few hot ticket items that were included in last August clearance event. Again, this is from last August, but if you guys see these items at your store, scan to see if they are included. All right, so first up, we have these big totes with the blue lids. These ended up being just $5 during last year's clearance event, and this was included in the red and green dot home items. So if you guys can find those, scan. All right, now next up, here are the patio chairs that I was just telling you all about. These ended up being $10. So again, scan all those super cute chairs that they have sitting outside of Dollar General. All right, and last but not least, here was a super duper hot ticket item that ended up being included in last year's August clearance event. Now, I know this picture isn't really great, but there is not a red or green dot on the tag, nor does it have a lawn and garden tag on this 6-foot bifolding table. All right, it was kind of unmarked, and we didn't figure out that these were included until the clearance event got started and people started getting out there and scanning. These tables were originally $36, but during that clearance event we were paying just $18, and that was really easy to throw in with a 5 off $25 scenario and take advantage of even more savings with our coupons. Now again, these are just items that were included in last year's August clearance event, but I thought it was worth taking a note of and telling you guys to be on the lookout, and again, scan, because these are some really good deals. Now, if you guys are out and about and you find any unmarked items that are included in this clearance event, so if the tag doesn't have a red or green dot on it, or if it doesn't have a lawn and garden tag hanging off of it anywhere, and you guys find these unmarked items that are included in the clearance event, please take a picture of it and send it to me in an email. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, and then I will share that out to everybody else on the community tab. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with this weekend's clearance event. I hope you all get out there and find some fantastic deals. And if you do, don't forget about your girl. Come back and let me know about it down in the comments section below. You could also take some pictures, send it to my email, or you can head on over to Instagram and direct message me there, because I love hearing about y'all's success stories. Alright guys, now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It is right down below this video. Also, make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Hit that thumbs up button for me on your way out. Leave me a comment, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.